Hey,
Another
my avatar
video
look drippy.
that I'm with
Wait, ako din ako.
John Doe, and this is an Among Us video because we can't do anything and we're just waiting for players to join. We have Rose here and
Oh,
some
good guys.
stuff.
Me, sitting here with my friend
Yeah,
Demon King.
he started late. Yeah, I know.
Yep, cause I
Avatar
just
doesn't look very good, but I will make it
what
look very
did you
good.
just say my name?
No, I didn't say anyone's name, bro.
Okay. Hey,
Excellent.
actually, John Doe isn't my real name, so um,
Um,
John Doe isn't my real name. John Doe is not my real name, guys. Okay.
yeah, John Doe. John Doe.
Hey, it's not my real name, okay?
Yeah, this is good.
So
Yo, do I look drippy? Do like, do I look drip out?
Guys, tinabad niya muna sa laway niya.
yes, kill cooldown. Yeah, you actually look pretty.
Bro,
I
why you
wanna
leave
say
the
this.
game?
This server set saying that remote has.
Bro, go back. Go back. Go back. Do you
Okay,
remember?
okay, I'm coming back.
Do you remember the code?
EIKVYG.
Okay, nice to remember. You a John Doe.
I am not gonna go. Ano pa pangalan? I'm gonna call myself Dream. Just gonna.
Why are
Oh
you
no,
green,
I'm
bro?
just gonna.
You do not look dripped out.
Okay. I'm just gonna.
You actually do
Still
not
treasure
look
my.
dripped out.
Still customize it, you know.
Uh,
Yeah. There we go.
oh,
I'm back. Airship fungus. Airship? Airship na lang. Airship. I think I replied that. Yes, yes, me, no, yes, me, no, yes.
yes?
No. Me, no. Me, no,
Yes.
no. Yes. Miss, yes. Infinity, yeah.
Yeah, very Sigma boy.
You better change your name to Chicago. Just kidding. No, you don't need to change your name to Chicago.
Bro,
Mawawala yung
let,
server.
let's leave the server and find a game.
Please and say
Bro,
that.
bro,
No.
WSD. WSD,
Wait,
okay? Bro,
WSD.
D, wait, FTG, FTG, FTG.
6 players? Am I right?
Yes, yes, let's go, nandito ka. Yes, you're here, bro. I'm blue, I'm blue. I'm blue, abadi, abadai. Yeah, I'm blue, I'm die, ababli,
Shady.
abadai. What? I'm
Shady.
excellent. I'm excellent, bro. I'm excellent. I am very
Wait,
excellent.
is this actually the real Shady?
What shady? Where? No, that's
Right here. The color purple.
Peer 3.
Love y'all.
What the frick you mean love you? I like you below. Very cool.
So,
What? So sorry, are you mad, Coral?
Oh, oh, sorry. You are you mad?
Zaza.
What?
Hmm. Don't.
I'm so confused here. I'm still.
Troy going, Troy
Yeah, nice
going.
to meet you all. Nice to meet you all playing Among Us.
Bro, I'm imposter. Yeah, I'm imposter. I'm imposter, bro. I'm imposter. Bro, are you imposter? You.
I'm also
I
imposter. I'm also imposter. Ah,
yeah,
how is that?
you're not dead.
Hi.
Right.
My task is kill you.
Right.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Just minimize your voice. Sino nga ito eh? Jelay? Bakit? Baliw ka dapat sinabi mo. Hindi ko rin binigay yung may punto dito? Wait, excuse me real quick guys. Just real quick. Sino puro? Mami. Yay! Baliw di ako marunong magtinda nun. Mami, pumunta si Ate Jelay? Pumunta? Wala yun si Ate. No? Ngek! Ayaw ko. Dito ako.
Yo, Justin, you there? I don't know if Justin's there. Okay. No, why me? Who voted me? Who voted me? Oof, I think it was a self. I think Justin is here. I'm voting shady. Yes. Why not? Okay, Justin left. Call. And then Justin died. Ano? Oh, did I click? That's crazy. Ooh! He was an imposter. Okay, Dondo is here again.
Vote yellow. Vote yellow.
Vote yellow?
Vote yellow.
Vote yellow?
Siya yung pupunta sa akin eh.
Vote yellow. Yellow?
Yellow. Oh.
SS. Baka SS. Maybe SS. Maybe SS bro.
Yellow nga. Siya yung pumatay sa akin.
SS! Na-vote out na namin. Pink SS in lower. I'm engineer. I'm in vent section. I saw me. Guys, the yellow was wrong. Nah, I trust yellow. Pink SS in yellow engine, lower engine. So yellow accused, right? Okay, thanks yellow. Sandy, I think it's Sandy, not gonna lie. I just in yellow. Na by pick I interrogate you. So pink. Yellow lied from the start. Pink SS in lower engine. Bro,
I-vote
left!
mo na lang si Yellow.
Bro, are we gonna win? Are we actually gonna win?
Gabi mo sa akin, para mag-join ako sa inyo, nag-leave ako eh.
Okay.
Now what? Now. Wait, BRB bro, I'm gonna drink.
Okay. Bummer. How's that? Coral.
Mami, mahirap pa.
Manya.
Oo.
Wow, we won, bro. We won. We won. We won. Yeah. Bro, it's the same room code. It's the same room code.
Ano yung room code?
WSD FTG.
W, ano?
WSD FTG. Justin. Diyan daw.
Eh, paano ako naging white? Paano ako naging white?
Because
SJ.
yeah, I prefer that.
SJ, really? That's my color. That's my color.
Yeah, you turned into gray, haha.
You.
Bro, me is imposter. Me is a imposter. Bro, stolen my color.
Bro, so my color.
Stolen kasi. ST. CCST.
Tara na!
Yes. Oh my god, I'm imposter, bro. Bro, you're cooked. I'm gonna kill you, bro.
Yeah, you said that earlier, but it got kill me.
What about you?
White. You white. Hello. Hello.
Roll Philippines. Justin, shut up. Justin, nobody invited you. Philippines. Justin, nobody invited you. Guys, I have medbay. I have medbay. Yo.
Dead bait din ako. You're innocent.
Yes, I know.
I know you're innocent. Innocent yan kasi alam ko yung task. Na mga innocent.
Bruh! Video aura auntie.
Nah, I am not. Si yan yan, si Koro, alam ko yan.
Bakit?
Kahit ako nga yung, siya yung kasabi ng body eh.
Kaya hindi naman siya nag-report.
Yes, Red, just hiding in clinic. Okay. Bro. Yes,
Nagtay!
yes. Please.
Nagtay.
I think I'm cooked. I'm cooked.
Why?
I think I'm cooked.
Why?
Koro gonna target me, dude. So I'm gonna go random direction.
Yo, noisemaker! Whoa! Somebody killed. Rick.
Oh, ha? Sabi mo ikaw na.
Lim.
Ha?
I guess we'll take I'll vote Labana. I guess Rose is imposter. Jabana kill. Bro, everybody vote now. Why is not N? Sorghum.
There's no vote.
Yeah, what? Bro. What's happening here? Ah! Red imposter. Red is imposter, bro. Red is imposter, bro.
Why you
Red is
say it
imposter.
loud?
Red is monster. Red is monster. Ako yung nag-vote kay Red nung start eh. Sabihin mo red. Sabihin mo red. Sabihin mo red. Wag self. Wag self. Red. One stamp is imposter. Nice. Let's go. Wait, siguro si VG Aura. Siguro si VG Aura, di ba? Si
Oo,
VG
nakita
Aura.
ko nga ano eh.
Sabihin mo yan, sabihin mo yan, sabihin mo yan. Jabana, you imp. Jabana,
Wait,
you
may
imp.
shapeshifter ba dito?
Oh,
Parang
oh
shape-shift
my
kay Red.
days. If not red, Nana. If not red, Nana. How the freak is it me?
I saw two people. There are
Oh,
one
lol.
gray, one has.
Red. Bro, why you leave? Why you leave again?
Disconnect ko.
What?
Disconnect.
My internet. One stamp was in. Imagine AF. Yes, gosh. How production?
New server na tayo.
No.
Eto hide and seek eh.
Ayun mo pa akin yung hide and seek.
Bakit?
Don't know.
Ito maganda. Ito nakakita na ako. Wait lang.
No.
Daming players dito. Sana lang na dalawang natitira.
Ayoko.
Merong airship na. Ano yung code?
Saan? Nanalo kami.
Code.
Nanalo kami. WSD FTG. Bilisan mo. Bilisan mo yung same. Yung same room code. WSD FTG. Maging black ka na. Maging black. I go black, I go white, but you tapos na nagbuta pa na fan. I know I'm about to blow like trying to take the blow at the left ransom. And I'm going to see blowing up like saying what's up.
Sabi ako na disconnect kung mananalo kami.
Kaya nga eh. Nag-disconnect ka every time mananalo tayo.
Ayun ako, disconnect ako ulit.
Disconnect halos lahat.
Swerte nakasave sa akin ng code.
Naging ako yung host. A ton of patience is all we need.
Yeah. The time isn't big for the two of us.
Patience is all we need. Patience.
This time isn't big enough for the two of us.
Yes, it is. Kami. Wag. Stop. What? What the?
Ava.
What?
An avatar. An avatar.
What? Bro's Riz is next level. What?
Bro,
Bro, family friendly, bro. Family friendly. Do a family friendly, bro. Challenge. Be family friendly.
bro,
Just for once, bro.
wala
Just
di ako
for
ka-record ngayon eh.
Just for once, bro. Just for once. Just be family friendly.
Okay, chill.
What
Convo. What? Anong convo?
Conversation. Okay, free. I
Oh,
go.
I'm seeing convo. Okay.
What?
LOL.
Bro, Riz is next level. Lol.
I got those rings.
You ain't got Riz. You ain't got Riz. You thought you have Riz, bro? No one
I
joined
got.
me.
Bro,
Yes.
wait. No one joining.
Oh, kasi nag-uusap kayo! Naka-public to, paano siya naka-join? Ba't ka nag-leave?
No.
Ano, wala na siya tuloy siya. Nawala tuloy siya. Please, join me, bro. Ski.
I got the rings.
Yo, I got the Riz.
Rings, bro, rings.
Bro, you ain't got Riz. Yo! Hey, yo.
Po. Ganyan kalayo. Pumunta pa ako sa tama raw.
Ang lapit lang ng camera ko, okay ka lang.
Ano, madadaanan ko sa JM?
Oo, laro kayo. Sama ako.
Ano laro? Bibili lang. Hindi nga naglalaro eh.
Sama ako.
Bibili nga. Weird. Oh.
Ano ba yan? Lahat ng tao nagli-live.
Wait, ba't nakalagay dito? Tatlo eh. Tayong dalawa lang.
Hindi, dalawa lang.
Nakalagay sa akin, tatlo eh. Not again. Bawit ulit to.
Bro, actually left. Bro, tara ibang server.
Bro, nakakita mo yung reels ko kanina?
Bro, EEY! EEY! PPG! EEY PPG.
Bye.
Cool. God Bizdos Lex. God Bizdudes. Jeff Pristos. Just
Ako, sinerch ko.
John daw. Big! Big ha? EEY PPG.
Ano?
EEY PPG.
Ano?
EEY EEY PPG EEY PPG EEY PPG EEY PPG. Bilisan mo! Ano? Bilisan mo! Bilisan mo!
Ayaw nga oh.
Big EE Y PPG, bilisan mo! 13 14 13. Bilisan mo! Bro, you guys are little.
Ayaw nga. Ayaw nga ni.
EEY PPG. Ano, mami?
Ayaw mag-join ako. Ayoko i-join, okay?
Sinend kita ng game invite. Sinend kita ng game invite. Bilis! Sinend kita ng game invite. Bilisan mo!
Ayan na.
Finally!
Watch this again, bro.
Anong hey cuties? What's good? Start.
Ano?
Bro, I'm just here to play the game. Please start. Ah, laki! Oh, ba't ako kinik? Ako tuloy kinik din. Ikaw kasi Justin.
Bakit ako?
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna play normally, okay?
Your Ava is cute. Teka lang. In-invite kita. Send game invite. Sinad kita ng game invite. DP ka. Ay. Bro! Nah, this is mine.
Asan siya?
Bakit?
It's yours. Bro, it's yours. It's yours now. Let's try your route, bro. Try your Hey.
Do you
Bro, just
have
this shot,
the
dude.
directions?
You have to work.
I am lost.
Ano yung server ulit kasi nakita ko? Ano, disconnect ako. Disconnect pala. Nakalimutan ko i-copy yung ano, yung world ano.
Net kita ng game invite. Bro, ang galing ng reason ko. Sinabi ko, do you have directions? Because I'm lost in your eyes. Pakita mo. Hasham! Shama. Biyatin po nga, nag-read ako. Alex.
Ryan daw.
Yo!
Okay.
Hey!
Hey.
Should I do my ultimate freeze move?
I guess. Bro, I'm gonna hide in the corner.
No, you are fun.
Hello,
No!
Hey. Thanks. Look, you're actually funny, dude.
Bro, I'm raising up. I raised up a girl. I'm too rich
Bro,
for you.
unlike earlier, bro, I got that riz earlier.
I got the riz of the century. Ah!
Oh. Bro.
Holy riz! Oh my god, holy riz! Holy riz, bro, holy riz! This is the riz of the century, bro! Bro, bro! You're gonna make me fumble!
Bro, want to get humbled right now.
Teka lang,
Just kidding, bro.
teka lang. Teka lang, nag-isip ako ng riz.
Bro.
Are you high? Because I can get ano ba? LOL! Ba't niya i-close yung lobby? Thanks, Black. I-add ko siya, i-add ko siya.
Wait, add natin siya, i-add nga natin siya.
Add ko siya, add ko siya.
I-add ko siya ngayon.
Bro, I think I have the Holy Riz, bro. Holy Riz. I have the Holy Riz. I have the Holy Riz. I have Holy Aura.
User. Naka-friend na ako sa kanya.
Weh? Sana all!
Oh, friend niya. Naka-friend nga ako eh. Yung ikaw.
Walang.
May friend na, ikaw hindi.
Hindi!
Holy Riz earlier.
Oh! Friend niyo ako! Holy Riz, bro. Holy Riz, chat. Holy Riz.
New server, new server.
Holy Riz!
New server. Oo nga, tignan mo nga na. Tayo eh, kanina. Sa akin, Poro, ngayon sa'yo si, Pink. Uy, in-invite
Wait,
ako.
in-invite ako!
Game invite.
Holy Riz, chat. Holy Riz.
Uy, ikaw din.
Chat, Holy Riz. Holy Riz. Chat, is this Riz? Lol, hi guys. Hello. Let's go! Holy Riz, bro! Holy Riz, chat, Holy Riz! Holy Riz! My Riz is too strong. Do you like Burning? Are you interested to play SNS? Ano yung SNS, alam mo? What
Hindi.
is SNS?
Oh! He also likes Bunny.
What is SNS? Ano yung SNS? Shift and 6. Okay. Shift and 6.
Huh?
Shift and 6.
Wait lang, Max. Kayo muna, ah.
Ha?
Kayo muna. Kayo muna. Bibili lang ako. Kasama yung mami ko. Pumunta kami Tamaraw. Pumunta kami Tamaraw. Ano, Max?
Okay, goodbye. Bro, I'm gonna...
Pabektin ako.
Okay. I'm gonna raise him up. I'm gonna raise her up.
Okay. Have fun. Have your shot, dude.
CJP. Approach Janto Podcast! That's crazy. What are you doing there? What? Leak? Paper leaky. What are they talking about? Bro. Doggy. Shift and C. I guess I won't be playing anymore, guys. So goodbye, and watch out for my next video with my friend Zombie Games. Goodbye, guys.